Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your existing account on Payl8r. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in payl8r.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Payl8r website. Now, if you already have an account, click on the login button at the top section and then choose your appropriate login type. Once you click on your appropriate login, you will be taken into the login portal from which you can enter your credentials. Just type in your email address that you used to sign up for your account and then enter your account password. Finally, click on the login button and you will now be logged into your account on Payl8r right away and you can immediately start using it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Payl8r. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.